Cadence is packing. This is the box that had the cars in it. She took out every car and then put every car back and then is putting everything in the room in here. Ow. I think your box is full. It's full. You have too much. Ow. Katie, don't fall in. I'm sorry. What do you have? Did you find an elephant? That's an elephant. Elephant.
Ow.
Ow. Yeah, you did it. I don't think you should get any more. I don't think you should get more. No, no more. That's full. Look, your box is full. It's too much. It's too much. Don't fall in. There's a baby in there? What? Can you get the baby out? Are you scared? What's in there? Huh? There's a baby. And another baby and a bear. You got her. You got the baby. Get her. She's a big one. You got her. Oh, you got her. She's big. She's big. Cadence, do you like the horse now? What? Do you want the other baby? I'll get her for you. There. Ouch! Now they're all out. Now what? Can you put them back? Can you put them back, please? She's heavy. Heavy. Good night, baby. Here, put this heavy one back. Can you do this heavy one? Looks like a coffin. That's kind of creepy. Here, more. She has a lot of hair. There. Lay down, baby. Here. She's not scared of the horses anymore. Wait, there's more. Cadence, look, there's more. Thank you. Bye. It won't shut. I'll help. There. All done. Oh no, not again. Thank you. Here's one more. That's a hat. Do you want to wear it on your head? Thank you. Here's a shoe. It's a baby doll shoe. Thank you. All done. Close it. No, everything's going in the box. Here. Take the elephant. And the horse. And the bunny. And the frog. And here's Elmo. One more. A cat. Good night, cat. That's all. We're all done. Can you close the door?
No.
Please? Cadence. Close them up. Tell them to go to bed. Close their door. Yeah, good night. Give him a kiss good night. Hi, sleepy boy.
Party with me.
Yes, Dan.